What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars, and thanks for joining me today, my friends. So I'm up a little over 10K on my Tesla positions. My March 21st, 2025 400 calls are up over 100%, as well as I have some shares of Tesla. What I wanted to show you guys today was an important tool in interactive brokers that I use, Options Wizard, which allowed me to select the 400 strikes, and it gave me some options. It really helped me to provide information when trading options, which is something that I think everybody deserves at the end of the day, is tools, right? And education. So this really helped me out a lot, and I hope this video will add value to you guys. So the first thing before we step into the broker, I have the Interactive Brokers desktop open, but I just wanted to reiterate what I do when I'm trading Tesla is you can see these green lines, these 618 or any stock in general, is I always wait for the Fibonacci levels to come into play. For me, that's my strategy in order for me to look for calls or to sell puts or whatever the strategy is. And obviously it's going to involve risk. I want you guys to know that. And hopefully that this tool can help outline the risks. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. So this is my portfolio here. So let's say we want to look at Tesla. So I'm going to just search Tesla here. I'm going to go to the stock and I'm going to go to Tesla stock right here. Okay, so what you'll see here, my friends, is an actual Tradingview integration, which is pretty awesome. Interactive Brokers has been doing an amazing job, and I'm proud to, being able to show some resources, because at trading right off of Tradingview is like one of the dreams come true for many traders. But anyways, let's go to this, right? So once you go to the options wizard, it's going to give you some options here. Tesla price will go up, will go down, price will stay within, move at least, volatility, etc. So what I like to focus on here is whenever we come to Fibonacci levels, I'm looking for the price to go up. Okay, so I click on this, click find strategies, and then here you select how long you think it'll be. So I like playing longer term on my account. It helps with my risk appetite. But obviously, the longer you go, sometimes it's going to cost you some more money. I don't really like playing too much with weeklies no more. I've been burnt in the past with going too short, where sometimes these strategies take a longer time to play out. So let's go ahead here. Let's say by the end of the year. And what do you think the price will go up by? All right. So let's say I think Tesla is going to go up by 10% by the end of the year. Okay. So find strategy. So that'll be 471. Okay. So now check this out, guys. Some of the strategies here, we can see the probability, and the probability is based on the Greeks of the options. So the most risk you can take on is selling puts. As an example, what I really like here is they're showing you the probability and the max loss. So let's look at this, for example. So let's say I want to sell the 310 puts for the end of the year. The probability is 79%. This is looking at the Greeks and the volatility and all the different intrinsic values of the contract. The maximum profit is 3,180. So that is basically the premium I'll collect. The max loss here is 26,644. So what does that mean? Right? So what this means here, this 26,644, if I'm selling puts, then I'm obligated to basically buy these puts, buy Tesla at 310 if these expire and I'm on the wrong side of it. So this 310 minus the premium I'm going to collect, if Tesla were to go to zero, that's my maximum loss. Okay. So I really like right up front, they're showing you straight up, okay, what's your maximum loss? Some people don't talk about that. Maximum loss, the stock goes to zero. Will Tesla go to zero? There's a high chance it won't, but you just never know, right? So why not just be upfront about it? So here's your max loss, but you can see your max profit is capped. So let's say I want to go for potential here with higher reward. So you can see right here, we have infinite reward, and the probabilities obviously decrease. And then you can see your maximum loss here as well. And you have some more of these conservative strategies right here, like bull put. Some of these strategies I'm not really familiar with yet. I'm learning most of them. But what I like doing is selling puts. And I'm okay with picking up certain stocks if I have to. That's my risk appetite. But you definitely need to, be adjusted to your risk, and to if you want to be in the stock or not, that's totally up to you. Okay. But for me, as an example, do I mind selling a 310 put if I'm going to buy Tesla at 310 by the end of the year? Probably not for me, because I already have some shares and I don't mind adding some more, but at least I know the maximum loss up front. Okay. So you can play around with this tool here, right? And just click on find strategies. Let's say I'm really bullish. Let's say it's going to go to 20% up. Let's see what they show me here. And we can see here again, selling these puts, this one right here, these are spreads. And, pretty interesting to see that this tool has all these options, right? So let's play around here. Let's go a little bit shorter term. Let's just see what happens here. So let's go to March, and then let's see what the potential is here. Okay. So now we start having, just single naked calls, right? So here we go. March 21st, 425 call. I love how it tells you the probability up front, 36% chance based on the volatility, based on all that stuff that's happening right now. Infinite profit, and my max loss is 4,715. And that is basically the premium that I'm going to be paying for the calls, right? So I really love this feature here. You can play around with it. I hope this video added some value. Obviously, options carry risk. Everything carries risk. You walk out the door, there's risk, okay? But make sure you guys manage your risk accordingly to your portfolio. And if you're using margin, make sure you understand the risks. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I found this great, really good. In my opinion, a lot of education. A lot of people don't have this education, and I'm really proud of Interactive Brokers for doing something like this, and other platforms. Anyone that's showing people the real risk. This is the real risk, max loss. Okay. Let's not fluff it up. That's the max loss. That's max profit. So know the risk, the reward, know the probability, and then make your decisions accordingly. Thank you so much, guys. You have a great day. I hope this video added value. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.